Hi guys, Calvin here. So this is Kailh's ultra low profile keyboard featuring 87 key layout, 10 keyless layout right here, as well as a low profile mechanical switch with a magical sauce right there. Now if you're wondering why these LEDs right here is flickering, is due to my camera settings. You won't actually see it visibly with your naked eye. When it comes to the typing sound experience, it will be at the end of the video. So what makes this keyboard special is the switch choice right here. It's using a low profile switch called the Kailh Choc Pale Blue. All you need to know in two criteria where the Cheery MX Blue's mechanical switch is so famous for, lose out in two areas. The audible click on this low profile is so much clickier, so much louder thanks to its click bar compared to the Cheery MX Blue. That's one. And when it comes to this clicky bump, this one is like return. You can feel it more significantly than the Cheery Blue, where every time you press the Cheery Blue, you're not sure whether it actuates. This one is like telling you, the end. So thanks to its click bar right here. Now I can't verify that this is much more clicky than the Gateron box series or other Kailh series, but I can assure you that the click bar right here has that significant bump that you would appreciate if you're looking for clicky switches right here. Now Havit claims to have an actuation force of 45 grams, but when I check the technical specification sheet, it shows that it has an actuation force of 60 grams and a tactile force of 70 grams right here. So it's very clicky, and that's the data you need to know if you're that kind of numbers guy. But what I like about this baby right here is the travel is only 3 mm, making it one of the fastest, clickiest switch in the market right here. Now the keycaps is a single shot PBT plastic painted with black, so expect the legends to wear and tear after a year plus thanks to the acid and bacteria build up on your fingers going on the keycaps right here. Now if you want to change the keycaps, you have to find the Kailh Choc type of keycaps right here because it's not using cross stem. It's easy to find on AliExpress, so no worries right there. Now this keyboard right here does rattle a little bit thanks to its wireframe just on top of the long switches right here. Just barely noticeable right here. Now, is there any bottoming out issues on the long key? Nope. If you press at the very edge, everything is actuated accordingly right here. Now, there is no RGB lighting on this keyboard, only limited to blue, neon or teal LEDs, which is fine by me because they need to keep the cost low while featuring a rare, kind of expensive switch right there. For the LED effects, do watch at the end of the video right there. Now it features a 1.5 meter long detachable micro USB cable, which is a silicone type. Very good, you can customize any cables of your liking. The single stage stand increased the height of the keyboard by 1.1 cm, but it's still a low profile keyboard, so not to worry right there. This is a floating style keyboard where the keys are on top of the metal plate right here. With this design, it's easier to clean all the dirt around the switches right there. Plus, with the metal frame right there, it won't flex easily. The software allows you to save up to 6 profiles, change the polling rate, enable game mode, cycle between 13 LED effects, and you can customize additional 5 more lighting effects of your choice per switch basis. There's a total of 4 rubber feet. I wish both the stands have them so it does not slide around easily. So we come to the part of the video where you guys want to know how good is the top aluminum plate and the sturdy plastic bottom right here. So please God, don't make it hurt. Ready? It's straight down. Ow! So yeah, it's very sturdy right here. So here's my verdict. Despite its limitations not having addressable RGB lighting right here, it's limited to this neon teal blue, which is fine by me. What you're getting is an ultra compact, lightweight keyboard that you can travel and game on the go, because a lot of notebook gaming keyboards switches are just that rubber dome style and the fake mechanical feel. It's sometimes you don't press the right button at the right time, you get screwed up in game. With this keyboard right here, every clicky click right here is confirmed click in game. Plus, it's featuring a rare switch right here that is so clicky and more audible than a Cheery MX Blue right here. So would I recommend this keyboard right here? Yes, definitely. So if you're interested in this keyboard right here, links in the video description where you can get them, including the updated pricing. I wish Havit in the future makes this even a little bit more expensive, like 20 more USD more expensive, to include addressable RGB right here. That would be amazing. Remember to like and subscribe and share this video on social media. We need to hit 20,000 subscribers to do some massive giveaway and feature more videos like this. Till then, I'll see you guys in the next review.